Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to transfer your Shiba Inu (SHIB) tokens from your Ledger Nano X to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. With crypto prices fluctuating like crazy, securely moving your assets is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your portfolio better, this step-by-step guide will have you covered in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device with the Ethereum app installed, since SHIB runs on the Ethereum blockchain, and the Coinbase Wallet app on your phone. Double-check that your SHIB tokens are visible in your Ledger Live account to avoid any headaches later. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ethereum app on the device. Unlock it with your PIN for security. Next, open the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device and go to the Send or Transfer section. You'll need to select SHIB as the token you're sending. Now, for Step 2. In Coinbase Wallet, enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. This is crucial. Always double-check the amount to prevent mistakes. Then, copy the receiving address from Coinbase Wallet. Head back to your Ledger device, and when prompted, confirm the transaction details on the screen. Ledger will display the transaction for your approval to keep things safe. Step 3. Once you've confirmed on your Ledger, hit Send in the Coinbase Wallet app. You'll see a processing screen. Transactions usually take a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on fees. In 2025, Ethereum gas fees might be lower with upgrades, but always review them beforehand. A quick tip: never share your private keys or recovery phrases, and always verify wallet addresses to avoid scams. Crypto security is key. There you have it. That's how you transfer SHIB from Ledger Nano X to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it, but if you run into issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.